Kirfi is one of the local government areas badly affected by flood, which prompted Bauchi State Governor Bala Mohammed to embark on a sympathy visit as well as to ascertain the level of damage caused by the incident.
I must debunk the report of the Daily Trust which says that 13 people have died here. There is no loss of life. Although about 2,000 houses have been destroyed, 5,000 farmlands have been destroyed, and property that cannot be computed have been destroyed. The monumental economic loss is so huge. So we have already sent in some relief material immediately containing 2 trailers, one of maize and one of rice.
Some of the victims are currently taking refuge in Chele, the primary school, and a committee has been set up to look for possible solutions that will help in abating future occurrences and to provide immediate support to cushion the effect of the incident on the affected persons. The governor also urged them to desist from building on waterways,
so that we will be able to find engineering solution to the perennial problem that is bedeviling Kirfi. That will be able to provide drainage and find the source of the flood.
Some of the community leaders applauded the governor for his prompt action and the concern shown to the victims. They call on the government and other stakeholders to find a lasting solution to the flood problem.